Reading a time series is one thing. Forecasting is the real prize. Predicting where it goes next and proving you are right on data the model has never seen. Here is our sales history. We train only on the first 36 months, and we hide the last 12. Those hidden months are the truth we will grade ourselves against. First, the truth itself, the actual future, in gold. Now the simplest forecast there is. Just repeat last year, month for month. It is a fair baseline, but watch. Because sales keep climbing, last year always sits too low. It misses by about 24 on average. Now a real model. Holt-Winter's exponential smoothing learns the trend and the seasonal swing at the same time, and projects both forward. Look how closely the green line hugs the gold truth. Its average miss is just 2.6, an 89% smaller error than the naive baseline. That gap is your forecasting skill, measured honestly on the future. And that honest measure has a simple name. Absolute error is just the average size of your miss. And the golden habit is this: always beat the simple baseline before you trust a fancy model. You now hold a full toolkit, from clean data to honest forecasts. It is time to put it all together on something real. Next, we build a portfolio project.